Hello guys, this is Asharam and in this video I'll discuss the solution of problem D, Johnny and contribution of Codeforces round 647. So in this problem you're given n blocks and each block cover one topic and one topic can be covered by many blocks, okay? And some of the blocks have references to each other. There are n different topics numbered from 1 to n. So and they are also sorted by Johnny's knowledge. So Johnny know topic 1 better than topic 2 or topic I better than topic I plus 1. And so he want to write blocks, and so he write the blocks in this manner. So before writing a block, so suppose that he is writing some second third block, so he'll look at all its neighbor, that is all its reference blocks, and choose the topic with smallest number which is not covered by the blocks. So suppose that he is currently at second block, and this is our third block, this is our fourth block, this is our fifth block. So suppose that it covers topic, let's say 5, it covers topic 4, it covers topic 3. So now Johnny will look, so he's writing second block, so Johnny will look at all the 3 references and he'll choose the topic, smallest topic which is not already written in these reference blocks. So you can see that 1 is the smallest topic which is not written, okay, which is not covered in these blocks. So he'll write it about 1, write this block about first topic, okay. So now your goal is to, so you are already given the desired topics, that is first block should cover T1 topic, second block should cover T2 topics. So you have to design an algorithm such that Johnny is able to write the blocks and follow this topic order, okay. So let me take an example. So in the first example you have 3 blocks, 1, 2 and 3. So they all have references between each other, 1, 2 and 3. And also you can see that our desired topics is, we want block 1 to cover topic 1, block 2 to cover topic, block 1 to cover topic 2, and block 2 to cover topic 1, and block 3 to cover topic 3. So what we can do is we can start writing with block 2. So if we are on block 2, so we'll check the references. So you'll see that we haven't written any other block yet. So that is, we haven't covered any topic in these blocks. So it means that we are on first topic. So we'll write second block out first topic. So second block covers first topic. After that we can go to first block. So you will see that we have so first block have 2 and 3 as its references. So you know that we have covered topic 1 in block 2 already. So we'll cover topic 2 in the block 1. So in block 1, first block, we'll cover second topic, and finally in third block we'll cover our third topic. So you can see that we have got our desired order, okay. So you can see that block 1 is covering topic 2, block 2 is covering topic 1, and block 3 is covering topic 3. So now if we are not able to achieve the desired order, then we have to print -1. So let's see in which cases we are not able to achieve the desired order. So suppose that there are 2 topics, okay. So there are 2 topics, I and J, and they have references between each other, okay, and they have other references but we don't care about them, okay. So and suppose that they both have topics T. So now if you assign if you cover the Tth topic in block I first, then you won't be able to cover Tth block in this, that is, you won't be able to cover 10th topic in block J. Okay, because the topic you cover in J should be the smallest topic which is not covered in the references, and T is already covered, so T topic will not be the smallest, so we won't be able to achieve this order. Okay, so this is our first case when desired result is impossible. And after that there is a second case. So suppose that there is you have a topic, you have a blog I and it have topic 5. So since we want to cover topic 5, topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, topic 4 should be covered, because if suppose that topic 3 is not covered, then topic 3 will be the smallest one. If topic 1 is not covered yet, then topic 1 will be the smallest topic which is not covered in the references. So if we want blog I to have topic 5, then we should have these topics covered, that is these first topic, second topic, third topic and fourth topic covered in the reference blocks. So this is our second condition, when when all the topics less than Ti are not covered in the references. Okay, now suppose that both of these two conditions are satisfied. Okay, so if one of them if one of them is not satisfied, then we'll print -1, and otherwise suppose that they are satisfied. Okay, in that case what we'll do is, first we'll cover the topic 1, all the topic 1s. So we'll cover all the topic 1s, so no one can stop us from doing that, because topic 1 is the smallest topic and none of the reference blogs have same first topic, so we can do it easily. So we'll cover all the topics first. We'll cover all the all the blocks which have topic 1. Okay, first step. After that what we'll do is, we'll cover all the blocks which have topic 2. So you know that topic 2 is connected by all the blocks which have topic 2 have reference 1, have reference as the blocks which have topic 1, because second condition is satisfied, that is this condition is satisfied, all topics are covered. Okay, so we can do this. So we'll print all the all the blocks which have topic 2, and similarly we'll print all the blocks which have topic 3, and so on, we'll print till nth. Okay, in this order. So this will be our result. So let's try to take an example to have a better understanding of this problem. So suppose that we take this as example, this last input. Okay, last set of input. So in this set you have 1, 2 and 3, so and 4 and 5. So these are our blocks, and our desired order is 2 1 2 2 1. Okay, so now you can see that topic 1, so topic 1 should have, block 1 should have topic 2. Okay, so now our first condition was that none of the references should have same topics. So you can see that topic 2 have block 2 have topic 1, so they are not, the topics are not same. Okay, and our second condition is also satisfied, that the all the topics less than Ti should be covered. Okay, so 2 have 1, so we'll cover topic 1 in this reference, this blog. So all the conditions are satisfied for all the nodes, so you'll check it for all the nodes. Yeah, 4 5. And now what you can do is, so first will cover all the blocks which have topic 1, that is 2 and 5, so no one can stop us from doing that. And then we'll cover all the blocks which have topic 2, that is 1, 3, 5, and you can see that there is no error in it. So that's it guys for now. Thank you for watching the video.